Welcome to the Mega Factory. Today, we reveal the incredible industrial process behind manufacturing professional fireworks. We step inside this highly secure pyrotechnics facility to see exactly how these spectacular and explosive displays are made. The scale of this modern pyrotechnics factory is massive. Hundreds of skilled workers operate safely across distinct zones. Heavy industrial machinery hums as raw chemical components are transported carefully throughout the sprawling production floor. The journey starts in the chemical storage bunker. Workers inspect massive pallets of potassium nitrate, sulfur, and charcoal. Specialized metal salts arrive in sealed drums. These compounds determine the vivid colors of the final pyrotechnic explosion. Strontium creates deep reds while barium produces bright greens. Technicians carefully weigh each powder for the daily batches. Inside the laboratory, chemists test raw material samples. They ignite small amounts to ensure the burning rate is flawless. Moisture levels are strictly analyzed. The ingredients must be perfectly dry before entering the volatile mixing environment. Preparation begins in blast-proof mixing rooms. Automated brass blades blend the raw black powder safely without any sparks. The blended explosive powder travels on static-free conveyor belts. Safety is the highest priority in this volatile workspace. Workers prepare the color compositions. These fine chemical powders are carefully mixed with specialized water-based binders. Inside the tumbling machines, the damp mixture forms into tiny round pellets. These are called pyrotechnic stars by the crew. The rotating drums coat the stars with multiple chemical layers. Each new layer adds a different visual effect to the display. Finished stars are spread onto large wooden racks. They move into specialized climate-controlled drying rooms to harden fully. After curing for several days, the dried pyrotechnic stars are completely solid. They are now ready for the assembly process. Main manufacturing begins as workers form the durable outer casings. Thick cardboard layers are glued into sturdy hemispheres. Assembly workers carefully pack the colored stars inside the casing. They arrange them in precise geometric patterns by hand. A central bursting charge of raw black powder is poured into the core. This charge will eventually scatter the glowing stars. The two heavy cardboard hemispheres are joined together. Workers seal the edges with specialized industrial adhesive tightly. The time fuse is inserted into a precisely drilled hole. This critical component ensures detonation at the correct altitude. Workers apply heavy layers of thick pasted paper around the assembled sphere. This wrapping process requires immense pressure. The thick outer shell allows dangerous gas pressure to build up after ignition. This creates the massive symmetric explosion. Large automated wrapping machines spin the heavier aerial shells. Strong strings are tightly woven around the exterior surface. The completely assembled shells are rolled through a final layer of glue and thick craft paper for ultimate structural safety. Automated transport systems move the completed shells into the inspection zone. Robotic arms handle the explosives delicately. Industrial X-ray machines scan every single aerial shell. Quality control operators look for internal air gaps or loose stars. Any defective shell is immediately flagged by the software. Safety technicians carefully remove rejected items from the belt. The approved shells move through a static discharge station. This vital machine removes any dangerous electrical buildup safely. An automated robotic printer stamps batch numbers onto the shells. This allows precise tracking for all manufactured products. Weight sensors confirm the exact payload of every firework. Perfect mass ensures consistent flight trajectories during a show. The finished pyrotechnics enter the packaging facility. Workers slide the heavy aerial shells into protective plastic sleeves. Heavy-duty cardboard boxes are constructed automatically. These specialized containers are legally approved for hazard transit. Robotic arms carefully pack the wrapped fireworks into the crates. Thick dividers prevent dangerous friction during transport. The filled boxes are sealed tight and labeled with explosive hazard warnings. Heavy strapping secures the pallets completely. Forklifts transport the massive pallets into fortified storage bunkers. These thick concrete domes protect the final inventory. Inside the blast-proof warehouse, the temperature remains perfectly cool. The fireworks wait securely for global distribution. Heavy freight trucks arrive at the factory loading bays. The secured pallets are carefully loaded for their outbound journey. These incredible pyrotechnics travel worldwide. They will soon light up the night sky at major festivals and global events. The manufacturing process is truly amazing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more factory documentaries every week.